Hi all, this is Sampath. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In the today video tutorial, I'm going to show how we can prevent creation of purchase order more than purchase requisition quantity. Okay, without any further delay, let's get started. I have created purchase requisition with 10 quantity. Now I'm going to create a purchase order by referring this purchase requisition. To create a purchase order, enter the transaction code ME21N. Now press enter key. Enter the vendor, enter the purchase group, enter company code. Now press enter key. Just scroll right side, enter the purchase requisition number. This is my purchase requisition. Now press enter key. Scroll to left side, enter the amount. I'm going to enter €2 per piece. Now press enter key. Click on check. I have created purchase requisition for 10 quantity. Now I am going to change this quantity to 20. We'll see whether system allows or not. Enter quantity 20. Now press enter key. Click on check. Yes, system is allowing to create a purchase order. Now click on save. Yes, purchase order is created more than purchase requisition quantity. How we can avoid creation of purchase order more than purchase requisition quantity? We can set error message in customization. Enter the transaction code SPRO. Now press enter key. Click on SAP reference IMG. Go to material management. Go to purchasing. Expand environment data. Here execute define attributes of system messages. Double click on system messages. Select any one line. Click on copy function. Application area is 06. Just click on this. Application area 06 is for purchasing documents. Hence I am selected application area 06. Now press tab key. Click on this icon. Just scroll down little bit. Message number 076 we can use for prevent creation of purchase order more than purchase requisition quantity. Just double click on this. Press enter key. Press enter key again. Now save it. Create new TR. Enter the TR description and click on save button. Click on right mark. Now I am going to change warning message to error message. To change warning message to error message, press F4 key. Select error message here. Press enter key and click on save. Now come back. Close this window. Now I am going to create a purchase requisition in transaction code ME51N. Enter transaction code ME51N. Press enter key. Enter your material. Enter the quantity. Now enter the plant. Press enter key. Click on check button. Now click on save. Copy the purchase requisition number. This is my purchase requisition number. I'm going to copy it. Click on close. Now I'm going to create a purchase order. To create a purchase order, go to transaction code ME21N. Enter all header details. Scroll to right side. Enter purchase requisition number here. This is my purchase requisition number. Press enter key. Scroll to left side. Now I am going to change the quantity. 10 quantity I am going to make 20 quantity. Press enter key. Now system started showing error message. That's it today video tutorial. If you found this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.